Tesla has begun rolling out a refined change to the Robotaxi experience by silencing turn signal sounds, creating a quieter and more relaxing ride for passengers. The company has consistently designed its purpose-built Robotaxi platform to put the rider first in every possible way. This includes loading personal climate preferences, music selections, and other custom settings as soon as a passenger enters the vehicle. Tesla is now taking that focus even further by completely muting the turn signal chimes. The update is clearly intended to deliver a calmer, more peaceful atmosphere inside the cabin. Tesla has successfully turned off the blinker and turn signal noises in its Model Y robotaxis. Although this is a relatively small software change, riders will immediately notice the difference. In an unsupervised robotaxi, the traditional turn signal sound serves little practical purpose. Removing it simply makes the experience smoother and less distracting. A few people have expressed mixed feelings about the update. Many drivers and passengers have grown accustomed to the familiar clicking sound as confirmation that a turn signal is active. Without that audio cue, some riders may initially find the silence unusual. Importantly, turn signal sounds remain fully active in personal Tesla vehicles. Anyone using full self-driving in their own car will continue to hear the familiar feedback. This thoughtful adjustment aligns with Tesla's goal of creating the most comfortable possible ride-hailing experience. In a conventional vehicle, the clicking noise primarily benefits the driver. In a fully driverless robotaxi, that feedback is no longer necessary for passengers and can be removed to enhance overall tranquility. My take: this is another excellent example of Tesla refining every detail with the rider in mind. Silencing unnecessary turn signal sounds in unsupervised robotaxis shows how carefully Elon and the team are designing a premium, peaceful experience. Small improvements like this add up and make Robotaxi feel truly next level. I'm fully behind Tesla, SpaceX, and Elon as they continue perfecting the future of transportation.